In previous video, we discussed about unsupervised learning system. Unsupervised learning system. In this video, we are going to see a semi-supervised machine learning system. Since the labeling data is time consuming and costly, you will often have plenty of unbalanced instances and few labeled instances. Some algorithms can deal with the data that's partially labeled. This is called as a semi-supervised learning algorithm. Here, in this example, it contains two classes. One is a triangle and one is a circle, squares. The unlabeled examples are circles. Helps classify new instance, the crossed one into the triangle class rather than the square class, even though it closer to the labeled squares. So this type of thing is called as a semi-supervised learning algorithm. So some photo hosting services like Google Photos are good examples for the semi-supervised systems. Once you upload all your family photos to the service, it automatically recognizes that the person A shows up in the photo 1, photo 5 and photo 11, while another person B shows up in the photos 2, photos 5 and photo 7. This is the unsupervised part of the algorithm. So needs is for you to tell the who's the just add a one label per person 4 and it is able to name everyone in every photo, which is useful for the searching the photos. Most semi-supervised algorithms are combination of unsupervised and supervised algorithms. For example, deep belief networks are based on the unsupervised components called as a restricted Boltzmann mechanisms stacked on top of the one another. RBMs are trained sequentially in an unsupervised manner and then whole system is fine-tuned using the supervised learning techniques. Thank you for watching our video. In the next video, we are going to see reinforcement learning algorithms.